Alrighty, let's take a look at this question. So, at a car dealership, the manager wants to line up 10 cars of the same model in the parking lot. There are 3 red cars, 2 blue cars, 5 green cars. If all 10 cars line up in the row facing forward, and the blue cars cannot be together, then the number of possible arrangements. So, I would think of it, first of all, the colors like identical items, right? So 3 red, 2 blue, 5 green means we're going to need to divide everything by 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 5 factorial once we're finished. But let's focus on the cannot be together part. So what we could do is go total number of ways to rearrange 10 cars and then subtract the ways in which the 2 blue were together. That would give us all the ways in which they weren't together, because there's only 2 of them. If there's more than 2, we'd have to do it a different way. But so total number of ways to arrange 10 cars would be 10 factorial, but it's going to be divided by, and I might as well divide both things because it'll be the same for both. 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 5 factorial for the identical cars, and then minus the ways in which blue could be together. So what you do is you put blue together in a box, and then we'd have the other 8 cars. So altogether, we'd have 8 plus the 1 that is now 2 blue cars, so 9 cars factorial ways of rearranging those. And then within the blues, they could switch around 2 factorial. And then if you put all that in the calculator, we should get the right answer. And I do believe that number is 2016. And there we go. I hope that helped.